Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. We're looking at the new Connex 3300HP and this is a tune-up report. We're going to be using the 636 microphone that he ordered with it. And over here on the bird watt meter here, 0 to 10 watts across the top. That's in high power, and then I'm going to put it in low power, about 2 watts. 10 and 2. Put it back to high power. 50 watt slug here. We're going to be reading the middle scale there. 20, 30, 40, 50.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. That's right. Bigger, bigger.
Okay. Breaker went down for radio check. I appreciate it, thank you.